And not sure if you can see this or not, but this is before the roads get cleaned up. Whoops, sorry. This is road before the county comes out and cleans it up and stuff. And a little bit of a snowstorm yesterday. Said they were supposed to get up to 8 inches of snow. I guess maybe now I believe it. Yesterday I was kind of curious if that wasn't a little bit much, but yeah, there's some snow out here. Wind usually blows it off. The wind quit blowing, and it must have snowed some more last night. It pretty much piled up here on the road pretty good. So anyway, wait until the most people wait. They're smart and wait till the county comes out and plows the roads. Actually, kind of surprised they aren't out already. It's 5 to 6, and no sign of the county. Hopefully, when I get up on U.S. Highway 75 here, I'm west of Porter, Minnesota, on this road here. And anyway, I might have to stop at there's a truck stop along the way here and kind of wait a little bit. Hopefully, Highway 75 is done already. I'm guessing it probably is. State usually gets out pretty early. A lot of people live in towns that they work in 30, 40 miles away around here. It's just the way it is. It's where the jobs are. It's where the housing is. The affordable housing, I should say. Anyway, yeah, this isn't bad stuff though. You pretty much plow through this with a Volkswagen Rabbit. Oh, wait a minute. Can I say Rabbit? Oh, I think I can. Volkswagen Rabbit or a Chevy Chevette. You should be able to plow through this stuff with. But I got salt in the back, and I got a 3/4 ton 4-wheel drive pickup, so shouldn't be any problem. Well, hey, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.